Thanks, you are crush.
Where hands?
Thanks, you are best teacher.
Okay, thanks. Okay, sit down. Thanks. For picture, one word. What do you see in the picture? What do you see in the picture? First picture.
Horse.
Horse riding.
Yes.
Second, fishing.
Photography.
Photography. Take a photo.
Take a photo.
Play chess. How do you sing? What is today's scene?
Hobbies.
Hobbies, yes. Today's scene is hobbies. Okay. Do you have a hobby? Yes. Okay. Alright. Do you have a hobby?
Yes.
Come here and tell us your hobby.
Hobby is cooking. I want to become a good chef. I help my mother in cooking. I become a beginner in cooking. I learning cooking from YouTube. I enjoy in cooking tasty dishes. I love to eat tasty food. Cooking keeps me busy and active in my life.
Come here. Tell us your hobby, please.
My hobby is singing. I like singing very much. I can sing very well. I have many favorite singers. My dream is to become a famous singer.
Perhaps, who wants to say about your hobby? Ahmad, please.
Everyone has some kind of hobby. Today's children spend time free computer games. My hobbies are reading and drums and singing. I am studying children's art school.
Okay, evaluate the group activities. Your mark. Okay. Group activities, evaluate the group apps. Your mark. Okay. Okay, next our task is listening task. Please take your AirPods, and I give you sheets of paper. Please take. While you are listening, please find the missing words. Okay? Have you understood? Have you finished the task?
Yes.
Okay, let's
Who
check.
with his friends? Answer is B. Go for a drive and have a picnic.
Do you agree with this answer?
Answer is B.
Do you agree?
Yes.
Is Ayslu second?
Why can't Amy go with her friends? Answer is C. She already has plans to attend a party.
Do you agree?
Yes.
Okay, next. Nұргүл, please.
At the end of the evening, the friends are going to answer is have a party.
Do you agree?
Yes.
Okay. Our next task is to make a poster. Please, leader of the group, come here. Leader of the group. Nurdana, come here. Come here. Ayslu, come here. Take one paper, please. Okay. Your picture is what apps? TikTok. Yes. Your picture is Instagram. Okay. Do you know Instagram? What is Instagram and TikTok? These apps?
Yes.
Okay. Please take smiles. Here, positive and negative smiles. Yes? Yes, negative. In positive smiles, you should write positive ways of TikTok. Okay? In negative smiles, you should write negative ways of TikTok. Okay? Please write down. Good luck. group activities, please come here. Damira, come here. Where is the picture of TikTok? You come here. Your picture is TikTok, yes? Yes. Will you it, please? Sides of TikTok, please.
TikTok can practice a practice train on a team's mental physical health.
Okay. Please. Next, who wants group apps? Please come here. Please.
Instagram, negative body image, healthy sleeping patterns.
Negative or positive? Negative way.
Keyword word.
Okay. Let's evaluate the group activities. Please, your mark.
Excellent.
Okay. Group activities, your mark.
Good job.
Good job. I give you a picture of phone. Take please. Write down here your emotions from lesson. What have you learned? What haven't you learned? Write down please your emotions from the lesson. Do you like today's lesson?
Yes.
Okay. Your home task is to write about hobbies of popular person. Okay. Let's evaluate. Nurgүл, you work today good. Your mark is 7 points. Ildar, your point is 7. Nurdana, your point is 9. Ahmarjan, 7 points. Aslay, 7 points. Aray, 8 points. Muhanay, 6 points. Arslu, you work very good today. Your point is 9. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Goodbye.